Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for your cigarette lighter or power outlet, guys, and you may have up to 4 of them, stay with us and we'll explain where each of the fuses is located. You have a cigarette lighter power point outlet, guys, in the front of the dash, under the armrest, guys, one for the back rear seat and one in the trunk as well. So in that video, guys, we'll cover all that today. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, will be making at least 200 videos. That's what our intentions are, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, anything like that, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there for your convenience. Let me open the hood, guys, and we will show you where these fuses are located. Okay, pretty easy to remove and replace them. So like that. Okay, they're open. Let me grab the camera and I'll show you guys. First, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, about the power outlets and the cigarette lighters. Okay, you have, guys, one right there, you have one under that, okay, you can see armrest cover. Okay, right here another one. Then you guys have one in the rear seat and one on the back as well. So where, guys, okay, the fuses are, you have one fuse box inside, but it's not there, guys. The fuse box that we need to check, okay, it's under the hood right there. So we need to go ahead and open the fuse box. We're going to press here, pull up, and we're going to even remove it. Now the layout of the fuses here, guys, corresponds to what we have here. So fuses, guys, okay, that we need to check. Okay, the first fuse, guys, that we need to check, it's fuse number 17. Okay, and checking it, okay, number 17 is the third fuse on the second row from left to right. 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 17, 20 amp fuse, guys. I will have a hard time, okay, reaching this one. So what I'll do, I'll just grab it, okay, with the pliers. Okay, and I remove the cover only. This thing is stuck there. And I was just able to remove it. Okay, if it comes apart, you can always install, okay, the cover if you need to later. Perfect. Okay, like that. This is the first fuse, guys. This is a 20 amp fuse. If you need to buy replacement fuse, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. It's a JK fuse, so check it out, guys. You can see where you can get it from and if you need to get any. This is fuse number 1. So we'll go ahead and install this one. What about the other fuses, guys? The other fuses are fuse number 64. Okay, 64 is fuse number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fuse counting the missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one right here. Then you have, guys, fuse number 65 and 66. So we have 64, 65, 66. These 3 fuses are for the power point outlets, guys. For the power outlets and the cigarette lighters. 1, 2, 3, and this is fuse number 4. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.